Hi there everybody! I know that every single video at the minute during the midweek seems to be me talking about exciting things, but this genuinely is something that I am really excited about. I've just realised that I've covered up the yarn and I didn't really need to because I've put a picture of it in the thumbnail, but we're going to roll with it anyway. So this is something that I've wanted to do for a very long time. I've really wanted to create a Blossom Crochet yarn, so a colourway that was designed by me and something that I really liked and turned into yarn basically, and I could think of nobody better to go to create that than Siobhan's Crafts. So obviously you've seen a lot of work that I've done using her yarns before, and I've also talked about her a lot because I think everything that she makes is amazing. So we got together a couple of weeks ago and I had my very first dyeing experience, and I'm completely and utterly obsessed with space. So I wanted to have some sort of spacey, galactical sort of colourway, and so it was something that Siobhan hadn't done before, so it was a little bit of trial and error, but we are so happy with the end result. So I'll do a big reveal now of the thumbnail that you've already seen. Anyway, so these are the colourways that, this is how it's turned out basically. So it was my very first time doing any sort of dyeing of yarn, so it was a real learning curve for me, and I think it's turned out really well. I was very happy with how it came out in the end. So I think personally, I think it's come out very spacey. I do think it's very, you know, it does look like galaxies and things like that, so I was really pleased with the colourway as it has come out. I'm really happy with it. So a little bit about the yarn. It will be available to buy tonight, so it will go on sale on Siobhan's Crafts website at 8 o'clock tonight. So hopefully you'll be seeing this video around about that time as well. And there are two different options available to you. There is a sock weight yarn, which is this one here. Now obviously because they're hand dyed, they are all slightly different, but this is the sock weight one. And the colourway itself is called Supernova. So again, nice spacey name for you. So this is the sock one. You get 100 grams and that is roughly 400 meters of yarn. So obviously it's hand wash only, and it says on it that it is a collaboration between myself and Siobhan's Crafts. So that is the sock weight, and it will also be available in DK as well. And the DK version, again, obviously it's still called the Supernova colourway. It's again 100 grams and you get approximately 225 meters. And this is a merino and nylon blend, so it's really soft. And I've worked with her DK many a time. So obviously the yarn itself is quite dark in places, as you can see, but then we've got the real bright flecks of colour as well, and there's some amazing green running through parts of them as well, so you can really see how beautiful that is. And we've also got bits with real bright purple and pink as well, and I'm so happy with how it's turned out. The first batch that we have done, which is going to be available to buy tonight, is extremely limited. I can't tell you how limited it is. There is a very small number available to buy of the first batch that I helped to dye myself. But if they do sell out, if they do, then they will be available to do as a dye to order option. So you can still order it and then it will be dyed up and shipped out to you once it is ready. So even if you can't get the very first batch, there will be, hopefully, if there's a need for it, there will be more of it made up for you to purchase as well. So I'm really hoping that you like this yarn. I think it's turned out great. and I really hope that it goes well, because if so, then that would mean that we could maybe create some more Blossom Crochet colourways in the future. But you can just see the flecks in that yarn, it looks so nice. And yeah, I've got lots of other colours in my mind that I would like to try and do, but that will be coming in another time, hopefully. But just as a little disclaimer, this isn't a paid type of thing. I don't get any money from anything that sells. I'm not an affiliate or anything like that. This is purely a small business, i.e. Siobhan's Crafts, and she has helped me create an amazing colourway. So you're not supporting me, as it were. I mean, you are supporting me because obviously it's my colourway, but not in a financial way. But obviously Siobhan's Craft is an amazing, amazing small business of hand-dyed yarn. So she has got loads of other absolutely stunning yarns that are all going to be in her shop update tonight. But this is the very first Siobhan's Craft and Blossom Crochet collaboration, and I hope that you like it as much as I do. I really hope that you do, and I can't wait to hopefully create some more and share those with you in the future as well. But that is it for tonight, so check out the link in the description for Siobhan's Crafts and go and get yourself some Supernova if you wish. But if you do and you're able to, then thank you in advance. It means a lot, and it's great to be able to support small businesses as well. I know that you all know that that's really important to me. So just look at the colours in that. I'm hoping it's not blurry, but you can just see those amazing colours all the way through. It's going to look so good when it's worked up. I can't wait to share that with you. I'm hoping to make some sort of small maybe like a rectangular shawl with the sock weight, and the DK I'm thinking could make either a really interesting winter hat, I'm already thinking ahead to winter, or even a pair of fingerless gloves. I think that would work amazingly as well. So yeah, that is it. I promise I'm not going to talk anymore, but check out the description box and I will see you for a normal tutorial very, very soon. Bye for now.